Hey guys, I want to tell you about this heavy duty power strip I recently purchased to plug in all the battery chargers for my handheld tools in my garage. So let's take a closer look. Okay, straight from the box, this heavy duty power strip has a built-in surge protector as well as a 6-foot extension cord. The body is made of metal that is bright yellow for high visibility. Then you have these flexible ends here that can serve as a protection as well as a place to wrap your extension cord around and secure that in place. To indicate whether the power strip is on or off, you have a switch here and an LED light. Okay, the dimensions are 10 inches by 6.3 inches and 2 inches thick. You also have this hole that you can hang it up in your shop or at your job site. Then if we look on the back, you have 2 slots that are 5.5 inches apart that you can mount on a wall. Okay, looking at the information provided, it's rated for 125 volts. The maximum power output is 1875 watts. You have voltage protection rating of 2800 joules. The cord rating is 14 gauge. It is 6 feet long. The overload surge protection is 15 amps. Okay, if we look on the inside, you have 18-month limited warranty and lifetime technical support. So that's very good. So I'm going to do a temporary mount on the shelf so it'll be near my battery chargers. Okay, now you can see how I mounted it just to the bottom of this shelf where all my bank of batteries are located, and I could just plug in the 2 or 3 that need charging at the time. Once they've reached charge, I could just take those off of charge. But I have extra outlets here that I can use for my compressor and for other plug-in tools. Here's the on and off switch and the LED light that indicates whether the power strip is actually on or off. And like I said earlier, it's temporarily mounted. I can just lift up on it and take this to the job site. So again, it's got the built-in 15 amp circuit protection as well. So this is going to be very useful for me, very handy for my battery charging area. It's good for offices. It's good for if you have a lot of computers and so forth. So I highly recommend the Rocket Socket Technology Power Strip and Surge Protector. Hey, there'll be a link to this product in my description below that you can check out more information about it. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not a current subscriber. Have a great day.